Embarking on the path to holistic wellness, discover the 7 pillars to a balanced life. Welcome to our journey of discovering the 7 pillars of holistic wellness. Embark on this adventure to unlock a more balanced and fulfilling life. Let's explore together how each dimension can transform your daily experience. The journey begins with physical wellness. Imagine waking up each day feeling energized and ready to conquer the world. This pillar is the foundation, emphasizing the importance of nourishing your body, engaging in physical activity, and ensuring restful sleep. As we move forward, emotional wellness takes the stage. Picture yourself mastering the art of stress management, freely expressing your feelings, and fostering deep, meaningful connections. It's about creating a supportive network around you and within you. Next, we delve into intellectual wellness. This realm encourages us to keep our minds sharp and engaged. It's the pursuit of knowledge, the joy of learning new things, and the stimulation of our creative faculties. It's about expanding our horizons. Our journey leads us to spiritual wellness, a pillar that offers a sense of purpose and meaning. It involves exploring our beliefs, values, and principles. This pillar helps us connect with the larger universe and our place within it. Social wellness is next, emphasizing the importance of community and connection. It's about building healthy, supportive relationships and feeling connected to those around us. This pillar reminds us that we're not alone on this journey. Occupational wellness, our next stop, encourages us to find fulfillment in our work. It's about contributing our unique skills and talents, achieving our professional goals, and feeling valued and satisfied in our careers. Finally, we reach environmental wellness. This pillar highlights the importance of living in harmony with our surroundings. It's about making choices that positively impact the world around us and cultivating a sustainable lifestyle. As we conclude this journey, remember that these pillars are interconnected. Each one affects the others, and together, they offer a roadmap to a holistic wellness lifestyle. It's a continuous journey of discovery and growth. Take a moment to reflect on each pillar. Which areas do you feel strong in? Where might you need more focus? Remember, it's not about perfection but progress and making intentional choices each day. We invite you to embrace these pillars, to explore them in your daily life. It's a journey worth taking, one that leads to a deeper sense of well-being and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of holistic wellness. We look forward to hearing about your journey and the transformations you experience. Together, let's build a life that's balanced, fulfilling, and vibrant. Remember, the path to wellness is unique for everyone. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Be patient with yourself, and know that every small step is a leap towards a happier, healthier you. Welcome to the journey of holistic wellness.